This video is sponsored by Value Testers, hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. Morning guys, it is September 13, 2018. This one here we're going to call for no cooling. The guy said he got a burnt smell in the house. So either a bad motor or a transformer or something that's creating that smell. So he got it off and I'm on my way there now to see what's going on. Well, he's got no cooling. He's got a smell in the house. Smell, a burnt smell, he said. So we'll by and see what it is. The fan goes on?
Let me turn it on, Steve. What?
That seems to be okay. Motor's not running. Motor's not spinning. You shut it off, right?
I did.
Yeah, the motor's not spinning.
What's that, Steve?
The motor's not spinning.
Oh.
I could hear it. Unless the capacitor's bad.
After that, I shut it off, you know?
Yeah.
I didn't want to... Because this is one of the things that I'm not good at.
Yeah.
That's why I call you. Let me tell you something. It takes a while to recover.
Oh, this has got an oiler on this thing. Might just be a capacitor that's bad. We'll check it.
You want anything to drink, Steve?
Yeah, you got any hard stuff?
Yeah.
No, I'm just kidding.
In the Portuguese house, are you kidding me? That's an insult. I'm just kidding. No, do you want water or something?
No, I'm good.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
sure.
You thought that was funny, huh?
Yeah. I'm a very religious person, Steve.
Well, that's a
I
20.
religiously drink every day.
Yeah, me
A
too.
glass or two of wine with a meal.
Yeah, that ain't so bad.
No, it's not.
So that's a 20. That's an awful big capacitor. They say you can't stop a train.
Say it again?
They say you can't stop a train. That's what they say.
Yeah.
You never heard that saying? You can't stop a train? This sucker got stopped in its tracks.
Oh.
Huh?
I got you.
Well, it's 13. I mean, it should be 20. 13. 13.25. I mean, it's low. Might be able to put a capacitor on it, maybe oil it. See, that motor's got oilers right there. I could put some oil in there and maybe try the capacitor and see if it starts. Might have to get another motor for it, I'm not sure yet, we'll see. Yeah, get some oil down in there maybe, might work. Alright, so I put a capacitor here. Push this in, it should fire. Once it turns on, I'll put this. No. Bad motor. Motor's bad. No, it's got a bad motor. Yeah, we gotta replace the motor. Got a bad motor there. Got a bad motor. Yeah, I tried changing the capacitor, it still ain't starting, so I gotta pull it out and put a new motor. You must have cooked it. You know, we'll have to pull it out and get another motor for it. What else I can do? I tried the capacitor and...
It didn't work.
Huh?
You said you tried the capacitor, but it didn't do it.
No. Unfortunately. We'll pull it out and we'll get another... We'll see what's happening and get another motor for it. So.
You want me to turn it off then?
Well, I got it off here.
Oh, okay.
I got it off at the switch, so... Can't stop a train. I should slide right out. I'll have to pull it apart and get it out of here. Maybe I can get a rescue motor for it and put it in there. Lack of maintenance, lack of maintenance. That's what it is. Would have oiled the motor, would have been alright, but... Oh well. Rescue motor. I'm gonna rescue him. Got a number 15 cap for this one. It's the same thing, 3/4 horse. Same amps.
Same everything basically. So I got it all bolted in. I just have to get the fan secure. We'll slide it in. Might have to change the rotation. We'll see. Black is high speed. Red, where black's gonna be cooling, red's gonna be heat, blue's gonna be parked, and then the white's the common, and the two browns are for the capacitor. Fan's pretty clean in there. I had 3 lines coming down. The red was for the heat, the gray was for the cooling. So the gray is going to the black, the red's going to the red for heat, the white's the common. And I got the 2 capacitors on the brown, and then I got the fan speeds over there. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn around and check rotation before I slide it in. Right, rotation's right there. Yeah, that's right. So I could slide in and button it up, clean up all these wires. We'll be ready to go. Alright guys, I got all the wires tied up here. I put this little piece of rubber in here because it was coming through this area here. It'll be fine like that. The cap right there. Should be ready to go. I'll put the door on and we'll fire it up. Alright, I got the panel on, the fan's running. Just have to turn the unit on outside. I just shut it off to change the fan out. New fan motor, new run cap. And the condenser on, I did shut it off because I was checking it. The same size motor that was in there. The other one had was only hooked up to 2 speeds. I hooked the same thing up. Just put it back. Looks like a ICP. That's a big unit. That's not a train. That's not the original unit. But anyway. Houston, we have ignition. That's it, it's running. Alright guys, this is the old motor that was in there. This is a 3-speed motor. The speed taps are right here. The other one, the way it was wired, red was for the heat. Okay, and then white was for the cooling. And then this has got a white and a yellow wire which went to the capacitor. And then the common wire came down and tapped off, this same as this white wire, tapped onto the capacitor. The way I did the new one, it was the same RPM, same horsepower, 3/4. The cap was a little bit different. The cap was a 15, so I changed that. And the other one was a 3-speed motor. Had a red, a blue, and a black. Okay, so the red was for heat. I hooked up to the red. The blue I just capped. And the gray coming for cooling, I put on the black, which was high speed. I made sure the rotation was proper. And that was it. So now the white wire on a 110 motor And then you got two brown lines going to the capacitor. One's got a white stripe on it. That's the same as the white. So I didn't really have to use, but I just tied the white into white. But I could have actually brought the white down and tied it into that same wire. The gray wire that had the white stripe on it, because the white and the capacitor, one with the white line, is the same, goes to the same place. I don't know if I'm losing you on this, but that's the way it is. So this is just a different type of motor. It's changed out. He's got a fan now, and he's got cooling, so it'll be good. Alright, tomorrow when the chickens are all inside, I'll open the gate and get to my scrap pile. Throw that in there later tomorrow. I'm letting these guys out, roaming around a little bit more. Before you know, it'll be winter time. Oh, I know it. Oh, I know it. Yeah.